Masia no problem. Mapo, Ga University, Benue State University, senior application. Asim na hane we saw something with 2-1 na first class. Sim say yes, my results falls into that category. Has him submit here. So the girl we must see university and I put 5,000. And then I base na put 10,000 or 15. It's not about now, it's about where I'm going to. I have watched myself and where I want to be. Mama, that I need to start practicing now any dream skills right now to take me where I'm going to. Let me receive that 4,000 with joy, but it is part of my journey. And that journey made him generate here today. Oh, when they have a job, how did you get lecturing job at 24? Yes, I did, because I finished school at 21. So no one has switched barrier for 3 years again before I went to that lecturing. Why did I get it? I was in the path to what I want.
Dr. Telly, you finish university 21. How possible?
Because that you got jam blessing. So him nasi parents train your children and push her out gawa school. What most parents do is they copy what other people are doing and push their children to be like that. My mother Gasige, you can write jam if you're writing WAEC. I know you heard what I'm. So the day I'm WAEC, I went to Umunze in Anambra State. I have never been to Anambra before. May this school uniform, she school because I was also writing WAEC at that time. Unhapu school a day before. Gale WAEC Umunze. I got there now, but I'm not boss. Many people are now saying I'm missionary over I didn't really understand those things, but I was just reading past question. When that Ebem Nele WAEC now pass. I'm going to pass, I can write jam. So that was how I wrote jam na Holiba. Many people say this small girl, they will no WAEC. So at the point I was entering university, most people, my classmates, can get jam blessing. At the point I was graduating, some were just getting admission into the university. So here which are people that they believe no one I got jam blessing and I got passing, or you got jam blessing, they more organize, you bag in their own answer. So first thing first about getting it straight in life is believing in yourself. Even if you cannot do it, try. There's nothing wrong about failing. But here I make people that have failed. It must matter that I rather fail 10 times than not trying at all. Because for the 10 times I'm trying, I have learned 10 new things that you don't know. And if we enter the same bracket again, you cannot be ahead of me. So may make sure that this thing because that service. I now started teaching in the university in a lab. So I got lab, I'm microbiology then. I was very good with lab work. You know, make sure actually bring your moron at Benue. Hey, because see what they my tribalism. I had renewed my rent for the next year. I cried. In fact, the day I was leaving Benue, the man no knock on a boss. No, na si Chineke when I hear this girl na yogi because they area this girl. Because I'm hope na get that job. I be we paham na list. Ya woro. Mgbe ahụ tie oji na si go to your state and go and work. No na choose other state people. Do you understand? Has your governor say then get job for and make you go back. Till today that landlord no pay my rent back. May brew my things. Gawa back home, garu my hair. I was crying throughout that journey. My mother said, don't worry. God will compensate you. It's okay. So, man, or 2 months, I moved to Abuja, to stay with a friend. So, now Abuja 1 year, man, not difficult to get a job. I started doing petty trading. After that 1 year, I told myself, I can't stay here. You know, it's very hard to survive in Abuja. But see him when I was 7, and one of my friends had Abuja had been relocated. So, when only made the location to Abuja, I should come and join them. Masi no, I cannot afford house rent in Abuja. Hasi, let's combine money together and pay for a house. I told them no. Ulana 1.5 million. I will still not be able to cope. Because at that time I was living in a self-contained for 100,000 in Benue State. And these other people are guys and girls that are from rich families. Some of them had cars. So Hannah still no Bella na the lively guy need no katam say no. Moreover, if I get to Abuja, where will I serve? I need a history towards where I'm going to. So, hey, Katakwan has okay, leave this game, make she dey for Benue. So I did not go to Abuja, I served in Benue. Why am I saying this? In Marahi in future, start building foundation. And when I post making on my Facebook today, I say, Global Talent Visa and the UK. It is very easy if you have a foundation. If you show that you meet requirements and you have a track record. The position I'm now, I can decide tomorrow, let me go to Niger, to be a vice chancellor, because I entered the university system as a graduate assistant. And why did I become a graduate assistant? While I was doing petty trading, I had focus of where I wanted to be, but I needed to be able to feed. So I needed money to buy clothes, buy pants, buy this, change my food. So I was doing business. Me roll Lagos, more makeup business, cosmetics, While I was doing that, I had to go back to Mahia and buy form. My mother said, that's what form. Since you want to enter lecturing,